US 334 road. It's going to be close to the Ross Midway County line. You'll see there's several units.
Pavement off-road, good try, I guess.
Okay, I'm coming to a stop.
Get out of the truck!
Alright, you just pull back out.
Okay, are you switching over to Quick County or Ross County?
He took off again. We're heading northbound, 23. 1959 Jackson, I'll have traffic. We're northbound, right lane. He rolled the window down, looked at us, rolled it back up. We're northbound 48 miles an hour, passing Moore Road in Ross County.
I need an update for 1020 again.
Tell them to stop there, or they got wrong.
Circle PD, have a dog.
Hey, that's a dog! Come to me! You don't one bit! On the ground, you're gonna get bit. Come to me, man!
Do not let them, don't release the dog. Do not release the dog with his hands up. Do not release the dog with his hands up. Do not release the dog with his hands up. Don't. Do not. Get the dog off of it. Get the dog off of it.
Get the dog! Get out the dog! What's the cat? What's the cat? Get the cat!
Get the dog off.
Get your dog! Get it out!
I got squad.
Yeah.
Don't get a call now. Be a squad for the suspect. Alright, units are clearing the vehicle now.
Put your hand back! Give me your hand! Give me your hand!
Get the first aid.
Yeah, start CMS.
What? Yes, clear that. You got a first aid kit going up there now?
Yep, he's bringing it to me. I'm
Jackson,
looking
we're
for
going to open up 23 southbound, left lane B.
I say have one of the motor units open this or whatever.
Yeah. Was that not loud enough?
You said it 3-4 multiple times.
Good, the next available. But then we have the front steer tire on the rims. 32 right lane.
They have one en route.
County is already dispatched.
Bro, don't touch my left arm, bro. You just let the dog bite me. Why would you touch my left arm?
You good, son?
No, why you keep bending my arm?
We're trying to get it wrapped.
We're wrapping it up.
We're not trying to hurt you.
Here. There's a pad.
Don't even touch it while I got handcuffs on, bitch. Y'all just making it worse.
Man,
And you still leaning on me like you pinning me down. I got cuffs on.
nobody is on you.
Yes, you are. Look, you're grabbing my shorts.
We're trying to wrap you up.
I don't need it wrapped up right now.
Right. 23, you call me.
Bro, get off me.
I can't.
Bro, I have handcuffs on. What am I doing to you?
You could kick somebody. I don't want you to
I'm
kick
gonna
anybody.
kick. I'm not gonna kick nobody. I just got
Relax,
bit by a dog.
I understand that. Just
Man, you
calm
don't
down.
understand. You don't understand. Did you get bit by a
Hey.
dog?
Okay.
No, that I have tape in here.
Stop squeezing it.
Nobody, buddy, nobody's trying to hurt you.
Shit, you just let a dog bite me.
All you had to do is come to me.
I was coming, all the guns pointing at me. How you do this thing to respect you? You got a gun pointing at me. It's like 20 of y'all.
All you had to do was stop, brother.
I did stop. I don't feel
20
safe.
miles ago.
I did.
What's your name, bro? You want to stand up on your feet or you want to sit on your butt? EMS is
I don't know what you're gonna let me do.
I'm gonna let you do. I'm gonna let you either sit or stand. As long as you ain't gonna do nothing stupid.
I'm gonna do something stupid
Just
with hands.
have him set up, Tyler.
And you still
Let him
squeezing my
let him
arm.
set up.
Let it go. Shit, it's too late for that. And you still squeezing me.
I know.
You still let it go. Don't put pressure on me.
You have to have pressure.
Don't know. Let it be.
Just go ahead and let it. You good.
Why are you still touching me?
What's that?
Why are you still touching me?
Because you are under arrest.
Yeah, I have handcuffs on.
I understand.
Alright, so you can stop touching me and tell me what I
I'm not
need to do.
hurting you. I'm not hurting you.
But I don't need your hand on me. The dog already did enough.
Probably wouldn't be bad to put one on.
So why are you still touching me?
Wouldn't hurt anybody.
Why are you still touching me?
Got it?
23 or 26.
Fine, tight.
Are you back in the city?
My bad.
Rod, are you good?
17 minutes, you got 20 walkers on the 6.
See if he's got his ID with him. If not, we'll try to get it out of the truck. Hey, Mike, we need to make arrangements, get this truck off the road. I don't know if they get a wrecker or something for that. What's that? I don't know.
Traffic on Digital 462, advised.
Why would y'all try to say he's not going to accept the
Y'all not even dropping the dog like that.
What do you mean? I gave you 3 warnings. Did I not?
Man, you just pulled up. I ain't trying to hear that.
Did I not say? Did I not say final warning? You're going to get out of the dog.
Next available rollback, left front tire on the truck is deflated. Brake.
65 calling new exit should already be around. Go ahead.
Okay, just for
Okay.
still need the truck RP.
Give him a Tom.
Go ahead with it.
Tourniquet, Tom.
Okay,
No, I'm just saying, give it to dispatch.
2 Henry Young, repeating King 967 2 Henry Young, Tennessee Portion, Hawaii International.
We got a squad coming. Proper medical attention, man.
Well, for one, I told y'all my left arm is tight right now. My left wrist right now with the handcuffs. My right hand is looser than the left. It's tight. So y'all gonna cut off circulation to my left arm.
Hold on, want to bleed out?
I don't want it to be tight.
It's got to be, man. Otherwise, that's literally the tourniquet's job. To save your arm from having to be amputated.
I loosened it up,
If
man.
you lose too much blood, you're not gonna have nothing.
I loosened it up.
It's not loose.
Buddy, I loosened it up. I can't.
It's not loose.
I'm not putting it any looser.
It's not loose.
I can put two fingers in.
What can I, y'all, if anything, y'all just tighten it up. Yes, y'all did.
My handcuff keys on the road.
Trying to get me to lose my arm.
You're laying on it.
I'm not laying on
You was laying on it. I'm just
Not the
saying.
left one.
I'm
Not
just
the
saying.
left one, my right one, because my
I'm just
left
saying,
one's
try to
hurt.
help yourself a little bit. Stay off of it.
Loosen it up.
No.
Exactly. My point.
That commercial plates returning.
Good
Where
news.
is the EMS?
They're on their way.
How long is it gonna take?
I don't know.
Well, you need to know because my arm is hurting.
They'll get here as soon as they can get here.
That's fine. I don't want to.
Shut up, man.
No, it hurts.
You want to lay down? That's fine.
I told y'all it was too tight. Y'all don't want to listen to me.
James, is that your mic?
Alright. Why are you going in my pockets?
Get your ID. So much. I'm going to.